In today's video, I wanted to talk about what I'm personally doing to prevent myself for getting virus, and also second part will be what I will do if I contract the virus. Okay. When I'm going outside, I'm trying not to go outside very often. I'm pretty much on self-quarantine. Not because I'm sick, because I do not want to get sick and I do not want my family to get sick. So we're pretty much staying home right now, watching TV and doing our stuff. So in order to go out, I have this mask, which is N95. Plus, I'm also wearing gloves. Okay, and when I'm coming back home from the outside, I'm spraying myself, bottom of my shoes, this part of the mask, gloves. This way I'm gonna be able to reuse all of this stuff with this solution, which is H2O2 hydrogen peroxide 0.5%, and I'm using 34% solution of hydrogen peroxide, and I'm putting 15 milligrams of that solution with 1 liter of water, which is approximately 40 ounces of water, a little bit less than 40 ounces. So that's what I'm doing to prevent myself from the infection. My building is apartment building, which is the ventilation ducts connected to pretty much all the apartments. So I might even with all those measures, am I even gonna able to contract the virus? So what would I do if I happens to be contract the virus myself? Soon, when I have sore throat and headache, not even cough or fever, okay? Soon if I get headache and sore throat, I'm gonna start taking antibiotics. I'm gonna take one of those pills, which is amoxicillin, 500 milligrams. It's 100 pills in this bottle. And I'm also gonna take one of those pills, which is 250 milligrams ciprofloxacin. I'm gonna take those two pills 3 times a day for 14 days. And if my fever will be higher than 103, then I'm gonna take this one. Before my fever get 103, I will not take naproxen, because I will allow my own body to fight the infection. When your fever is higher than 103, some of the proteins of your body are gonna be coagulating, so you pretty much gonna cause more damage by fever than healing yourself with that fever. So only then I'm gonna be taking this. I'm also gonna be using a lot of tea with lemon and honey, lots of it, and also I'm gonna be I blend this with sugar, the cranberries with sugar, and I'm gonna drink a lot of that. So for 14 days I'm gonna take antibiotics, drink a lot of tea, and drink a lot of cranberry juice, pretty much like a smoothie. There is a science behind it. Virus itself not what's going to kill you, but number one, I do not wanna, while I'm waiting, also gonna be wearing this mask inside the house. This way I'm not gonna be infecting, well, like the amount of viruses coming out from me not gonna be spreading as much and as severely on members of my family. Okay. So as we already know, this virus is pretty much living inside of your body, and it can be living in your lungs, GI tracts, in upper respiratory, and it's also can be in your bloodstream. So that's why you pretty much wearing mask every time you go out, to at least like this mask you're probably not going to be able to get it, but at least put something over your face. Even bandana would actually stop some of the virus. Will just simply settle on a mask. Not all of the virus is gonna go inside of your breathing system. It's like the concentration of the virus is not gonna be that big, and your body gonna have better chance to fight it off. So by taking antibiotics straight from the beginning, what I'm doing, I'm pretty much allow my body to fight virus itself without allowing bacteria to attack me at the same time. Majority of people actually dying from, how that's called, not the when lungs overfilled with fluid, and people are unable to breathe. So that's what, and it's caused by bacteria. Virus attacks the lungs, but it's not damaging lungs as much as bacteria does. So that's why I will take antibiotics for at least 14 days. And after 14 days, virus pretty much is not the cycle of the virus reproduction and stuff like that. It's gonna be pretty much out. It's not gonna be that many in your system, and your own body already gonna be able to fight and identify the virus, and this way bacteria is not gonna be that dangerous for you either. So that is pretty much my plan for situation if I will catch coronavirus. By the way, corona and tsar, corona means crown, tsar, it's a Russian word which means king. So all the Christians who were waiting for the coming of the king, your king is here, so deal with it. Okay, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much.